right, we are going to take, I'm going to make a video real quick. We are going to take our title block and create it now into an actual block, as it's called in AutoCAD. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to select all of my text, and I'm going to make a new text size. So I want this to be annotative, and I'm just going to create a new text size, and I'm going to name it 0.125. Okay. And then make sure that's selected over here and make the annotated paper text height 0.125. And that's going to make these three text styles, right? And then if they didn't change, we can come up here and select them to be the 1.25. That means that they will be 1/8 of an inch or 1.25 for us when we go forward. So that was creating a new text style real quick. Now we are going to select everything in a selection box. We're going to go up to Insert, and we're going to create a new block. Now we're going to name this your first last name dash title block. We have already selected all the objects, so we're just going to keep it on Convert to Block. Our base point, we want to pick a point. So we're going to pick a point, and we're going to pick as close down to this bottom left-hand margin as we can. And then we want to convert to block, leave all of this the same, and press OK. Why didn't it ask me where I wanted to save that? Okay. So now we have created, this is now a block for us. So now if I went to a block, I could select recent blocks and I could put that in. So if I go and select this and I delete it, now I can go up to Insert and I can pick the block again and come in, and you can see the base point that it was picked off of was that. So then I just come down and I try and get as close down to that margin again as I can. And it'll plop it in for us. Now, if I put this into a drawing later and I need to change some of the things about it, I would just select it, type in X, enter, which starts our explode command, and it breaks everything up into individual parts and pieces so that I could go in and edit as needed.